Want to know how to add bio on your TikTok app? Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life, and today I'm going to walk you through the process of adding bio on your TikTok. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, tap on the TikTok app on your screen. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on the Add Bio option right below the Share Profile. Likewise, write the bio you want to add on your TikTok profile. After writing the bio, tap on the Save option at the top right corner of your screen. So this is how you can add bio on your TikTok profile. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.